the Census Bureau really dropped a bomb, right? The final economic read on households for 2022, it is an absolute heartbreaker. So median household income declined last year to $74,500 from over $76,000 in 2021. Asian household income, 108, almost 109,000. White household income, 81,000. Hispanic, close to 63,000. Black household income, less than 53,000. Less than half of that of Asian households. The poverty rate, it surged, folks. 12.4% from 7.8%. We're talking about 38 million Americans that live their life every single day in official poverty. And this is the really heartbreaking part of it. The poverty rate for children rose to an unconscionable 12.4 from 5.2. In fact, there was a quote in the Washington Post from Zachary Perlin, senior research fellow at Columbia University. They have a center on poverty and social policy. So he stated, by far, this is the largest annual increase in U.S. history, for both children and the overall population in terms of poverty. Now, this data goes back to 1967. And these are the official numbers, which means, for instance, if you live in a house of 4 people and your household income is $28,000, you're not considered to be in poverty. But guess what? You're in poverty, right? And so I'm tempted to say this is a joke, right? But it's not. No one can laugh. This is real life stuff. You know, the Fed's not doing anything about policy based on this stuff. The report also showed 7.9% of Americans without health insurance. That's down from 8.3%. A lot of people are taking a victory lap on that, but golly, that's mostly Medicaid. It's all Medicaid. I don't have the numbers, but I do know that Medicaid spending last year, in 2021, went up 9% to $73 billion. And remember, the promise of Obamacare was private health insurance for everyone. This is scary stuff. And as a consequence, almost 66% of women are working full time. It's an all-time record. It's not great because, sadly, more and more of them are working more than one job. So after trillions of dollars poured into this economy in the last 2 years, all we got was more personal debt and record poverty. So listen, it's great that we have a nation that can help us and our fellow man and our fellow American in a pinch. But it's even better when the government gets out the way. Let us earn as much money as we can. Let us keep that money.